Thank you for your interest in the e-learning course in scientific writing and reference management, eSwarm in short. My name is Prashant and I am a faculty at the Institute of Public Health in Bangalore. Along with Dorothy, another faculty at the institute, we have put together this very interesting course called eSwarm.
So this course was created with the objective of enabling students at the end of this course to be able to write a scientific article following the convention and guidelines prevalent within the scientific world, to be able to cite appropriately and accurately, and also to be able to use a tool such as the Mendeley for managing their references in a more effective manner.
So the idea of the course has been to introduce basic concepts of scientific writing and reference management. Many of us, trained as researchers, often pick up these skills quite informally, either from colleagues or from watching videos on the internet. However, scientific writing and understanding of the principles of scientific writing is a very important skill for most people working in research, advocacy or in civil society. So if you are a student, say of community medicine, or you are a master's student in a health related discipline, or you are just interested in understanding the principles of scientific writing and how it differs from general writing, this course is for you.
To give you a little bit more detail about what the structure of the course is like, there are mainly 3 modules. The first one is on scientific writing, the second one is on citing and reference management, also include a little bit on the ethics in publication, and the last module is a more detailed one about using Mendeley and being able to use a software to manage your references.
eSwarm is a very exciting course that introduces you to various aspects of scientific writing. For example, is scientific writing all about managing and knowing about references? What kind of phrasing of sentences would one expect to learn in scientific writing? How does scientific writing differ from literature? What kind of tools can we use to help us with managing our references and the various literature that we work with? These are some of the things we will deal with in eSwarm. Like many courses that the Institute of Public Health offers, eSwarm also makes use of one of the top state-of-the-art learning management systems. You will be enrolled in the course and where you will have access to various documents, multimedia and various other learning tools to pick up skills of scientific writing and reference management. So we welcome you to take a detailed look at the contents of the course, and if this is something you would like to enroll for, we will welcome you into the course.